Today's video I will be doing my morning skincare routine with you. I don't do it every day. I'm not consistent with things, but when I do it, my skin loves it. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So let's get into it.
The Lord has made nothing to see like a top down. Oh, it's good to know where I live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Oh, it's nothing to see like a top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
This product here, Dove Turmeric Milk and Lemon Drop plant-based bar soap, has really helped the dark spot on my neck. And I have like a little patch on my neck that I get. I don't know if it's from the detergent that I use or my necklace that I wear. I don't know what it is, but it gets very irritated in that area. But that bar really helped, as well as the toner that I use helped as well. So I do recommend. You can get it from Target. I haven't seen it at Walmart, but I get mine from Target. Right now they're $5.99 a bar, which is pretty steep, but for one bar of soap, but it does help. I do recommend it.
Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Call me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to getting bigger, even if it ain't. Tell me, even if it's rain. Tell me, even if it pain you. I know I be difficult. You know I be difficult. You know it gets difficult. Open your heart up. Open the
especially in this area. It's like hormonal acne, and in this area as well. I'm trying to clear those up. But that sums up today's video. Yeah, do like this type of content, please let me know. I'll push it out more. If you don't, then I won't, or I will anyway, because this is my channel. Yeah, and don't forget to hit that like button, notification bell, subscribe, and thanks to you guys for watching. Bye.